London may be one of the busiest cities in the world, but it's also one of the most exciting destinations for families with children. From world-class museums and magical movie sets to outdoor adventures and playful attractions, there's no shortage of things to do with kids of all ages. In this guide, we'll take you through the best family-friendly activities and places in London, along with practical travel tips to make your trip smooth and memorable. Whether you're traveling with toddlers, curious kids, or even teenagers, there's something in London for everyone. There is even a bonus part with insider tips at the end of this video, so please stay with me to the end. Our first stop is the Natural History Museum, one of London's most beloved attractions for families. Inside, kids are instantly amazed by the massive blue whale skeleton hanging in the main hall. And of course the Dinosaur Gallery, which is a favorite for children of all ages. But the fun doesn't stop there. Families can walk through galleries that showcase volcanoes, gems, and even an earthquake simulator that shakes the floor. Interactive exhibits keep little ones engaged while older kids and parents discover fascinating science together. Travel tip: admission is free, but this museum is incredibly popular. To avoid long queues, book a free timed entry ticket online and plan to arrive right when it opens. The museum also has stroller-friendly entrances, baby-changing areas, and cafes if you need a break. Next, take your adventure to new heights with the London Eye, one of the city's most iconic landmarks. This giant observation wheel gives families breathtaking views of London's skyline. Inside the spacious glass pods, kids can try spotting famous landmarks like Big Ben, the Shard, and even Buckingham Palace. The ride lasts about 30 minutes, which is just the right amount of time for children to stay entertained without feeling restless. For parents, it's also a great opportunity to capture family photos with London's most beautiful backdrop. Travel tip: book your tickets online ahead of time to save money and avoid long wait times. If you can, try visiting in the morning when crowds are lighter. The view is equally spectacular at sunset, but lines are much longer later in the day. For a day of wildlife adventures, head to London Zoo, located in Regent's Park. This is the world's oldest scientific zoo and home to more than 700 animal species. Children especially enjoy the daily animal feedings and talks, which bring them closer to creatures they've only read about in books. Families can watch penguins dive underwater, admire the majesty of tigers, or explore themed areas like rainforest life. There are also playgrounds and interactive exhibits designed just for kids, making it more than just a traditional zoo visit. Travel tip: consider packing your own picnic. There are plenty of picnic spots inside and it can help you save money on food. If you're visiting in summer, arrive earlier in the day when the animals are most active. No trip to London is complete without a visit to the Tower of London, and it's surprisingly family-friendly. Yeoman warders, also known as beefeaters, lead fascinating tours filled with stories about kings, queens, and daring escapes. Kids often love the darker tales, complete with ravens and legends of ghosts. The sparkling crown jewels are the highlight for many families, offering a dazzling glimpse into royal life. Walking along the ancient castle walls feels like stepping back in time, and children often find themselves caught up in the excitement of knights and battles. Travel tip: look for family tickets. They're usually cheaper than buying individually. Join one of the free Beefeater tours. They're included with entry and full of humor and storytelling that even kids can enjoy. The Science Museum is another top family attraction in London, especially for curious young minds. Here, science feels like play. Kids can climb into a real flight simulator, launch rockets in the interactive zones, and learn about space exploration in galleries filled with satellites and spacesuits. There are dedicated areas for younger children, including the Pattern Pod and the Interactive Garden Gallery, which encourage playful discovery. For older kids, the museum's IMAX theatre screens epic documentaries that make science feel larger than life. Travel tip: general entry is free, but certain exhibitions and the IMAX do require tickets. To make the most of your visit, download the museum's app beforehand. It has maps, guides, and even themed trails designed for kids. For families with younger children, Shrek's Adventure London offers a magical break from history and museums. This interactive attraction combines 4D rides with live shows, where kids step into the world of Shrek and meet characters from the DreamWorks universe. It's full of laughter, colourful sets, and plenty of opportunities for family photos with the characters. Travel tip: Shrek's Adventure is best suited for children between ages 4 and 10. It's located right on the South Bank next to the London Eye, so you can easily combine both attractions in a single day. Bundle tickets for savings. Not everything in London requires a ticket. Covent Garden is a lively district where families can enjoy free entertainment from talented street performers. Jugglers, magicians, musicians, and even acrobats regularly perform here, creating a festive atmosphere. For kids, it's like stumbling into a surprise show in the middle of the city. Parents will appreciate the family-friendly cafes and sweet shops around the square. Travel tip: performers are usually most active in the afternoon. Bring along a little spare change if you'd like to tip them. It's a fun way to show appreciation and encourage the kids to interact. When the busy city streets get overwhelming, London's parks offer a much-needed escape. But perhaps the most magical playground for children is the Diana Memorial Playground in Kensington Gardens. In St James's Park, kids can spot pelicans being fed daily and enjoy wide lawns with views of Buckingham Palace. Hyde Park is a favourite for families, with pedal boats on the Serpentine, pony rides and plenty of open space for picnics. Travel tip: London parks are free and open year-round, making them perfect for rest days between bigger attractions. Bring a picnic blanket, let the kids play, and enjoy a slower pace. And finally, for families who love magic, the Harry Potter Studio Tour is an unforgettable experience just outside of London. You can walk through the actual Great Hall used in the films, wander down Diagon Alley and see the Hogwarts Express up close. Kids will love riding a broomstick against a green screen, while adults will be amazed by the incredible detail in the props and costumes. From dinosaurs and rockets to pirate ships and movie magic, London offers endless opportunities for families travelling with kids. The best part? Many of the city's museums and parks are completely free, making it easy to balance fun with budget. With a little planning, you can create an itinerary that mixes culture, play, and unforgettable adventures for every age group. So whether your children dream of meeting Shrek, spotting lions, or casting spells at Hogwarts, London is the perfect destination for making family memories that will last a lifetime. Before you go, here comes the bonus part with some budget and transport tips to help your family get the most out of your London trip without breaking the bank. Get an Oyster card or contactless payment. Children under 11 travel free on buses and the tube when accompanied by an adult. Take advantage of family tickets and bundled passes. These often save money when visiting multiple attractions. Enjoy London's free attractions. Museums and parks can fill days without costing a penny. Plan meals smartly. Supermarket meal deals and street food markets make for affordable, tasty options. Pace your days. Do 1 or 2 big attractions per day and balance with downtime in parks or cafes so kids stay happy and parents relaxed. With these tips, you'll be able to explore London comfortably, keep costs under control, and make the most of your time together. London isn't just a city of landmarks. It's a city of experiences, stories, and family adventures waiting to happen. So get your Oyster cards ready, pack a picnic, and enjoy every magical moment with your kids in London. If you like my video, please subscribe for more family travel guides and tips. Thanks for watching and for your support.